Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remove an OPPO ID from an MTK device using ChimeraTool. As you can see, the device is locked with an HeyTap ID account, and activation is not possible. We'll use ChimeraTool to remove it. First, connect the device by USB, and then press all its buttons at the same time, until Chimera detects the device in preloader mode. Next, select the correct brand of the device. Once the device has been successfully loaded, go to the Repair tab and select Remove OPPO/Realme ID by clicking Start. You'll see a warning that all content on the device will be deleted. If you're ready, click OK. Wait for Chimera to complete the process. As you can see, the procedure has been successful. The device will reboot, and you can verify that the OPPO ID has been removed. Now, you can skip the OPPO ID step, and the device is fully activated. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.